Hi, welcome back to my podcast, and this is another episode of my season 2. So, it's about people that I'm thankful for, and this second person is really close to my heart. And I'm gonna talk about his qualities and the qualities that the best ones, and that I can remember. In ano pa ba? And some experiences that I can remember too. Because there's a lot. I've been with him like for a long, long time. Yeah. So, isang best quality niya is, I learned a lot from him. Kasi, ano bang tawag dito? He's very different from me. But, kita ko sa kanya na he got his own personality na may pagkakapareho sa akin or some are different. And I like it na he can handle himself and he's firm at what he wants. Yun na, and kaya niya, anong tawag dito? Parang yung he's mature for his age. Or because I see him as a little kid still, even if he's old. Yeah, he's still my baby. But anyway, he's not a baby anymore. And, ano pa ba? Ayun nga, I learned a lot from him. Kasi we often talk about our life. Or yung mga stuff at school, or what happened, or any experiences. Ayun, so magkikwento sila, and then, or mga topics sa random topics about life, or religion, or any culture, or country. Ang dami niyang alam, he knows a lot. And he will say na, oh, it's like this and that. Like, oh, okay. Ay, ako naman, sobrang amazed. I'm so amazed with the things that he know, with how young he is. Like, I'm really old and I don't know those kind of stuff. And he knows those stuff. Like, huh? But yeah, ayun, it's so, I'm so amazed with his, the things that he know. And, ano pa ba? Ang dami na there's a lot of things that I'm amazed about him. Like, he memorized a lot of stuff. And he really liked those kind of topics. Or like, doing the Rubik's Cube really fast. And what else ba? There are a lot. When he really likes something and he's so into it, his dedication is really, very dedicated. Yeah. And he's the one that I ask about specific words when I can't remember. So like right now, I'm gonna use my vocabulary because he's not here. If he's here, I can ask the one so I can explain it properly. But anyway, ano pa ba? Yeah, seeing him growing up really makes me feel proud. You should know I'm really proud. You know that I'm so proud of you. Your family is so proud of you. You should know that. You already know it. I've been telling you that. I've been writing about it. So, ano pa ba? Understanding. Napaka-understanding din niya. Lalo na lately, nitong mas nag-teenager ka. Yung na-feel ko din na you yung acceptance na mo sa akin, I feel accepted. Parang ba explain yun? Na he's one of the people who've seen me in my weakest moment. And they still stayed and helped me. Yeah, ano nga ba yun? To pick up the pieces of me. Yeah, yan. Na-drama na naman ako. I don't wanna be so dramatic. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm so proud of you. And, ano pa ba? Madami eh. Ayun nga, I really love your smile. Especially when, you're talking about your day. Seeing you so excited and happy. Yeah, and I love listening to your stories and us talking about life or any topic. I really enjoy talking to you. Yeah, like I'm talking to alam mo yung parang nagpo-podcast ka with someone who knows a lot. Yeah, I don't know. I enjoy talking to you talaga. I really learned a lot, and you make me feel seen. Because when I talk, I see that you're really listening to me. Like you just don't listen. You try to understand what I'm trying to say, and then you also, what do you call this? You also share your opinions. Yeah, which is really cool, diba? Na we're from a different generation and we still, and I enjoy us talking with those kind of stuff. Ayan, it's so hard for me to, explain sometimes in English. But yeah, I'm really happy and I'm so proud of you. Ayan. Ang hirap na mag-English ng So, ano pa ba? Ayun. Ang pinaka nga kasi is, I feel seen, especially nga na when I talk or explain something, I see that you're listening. And, I don't know, I feel really accepted na ganon. Ayun. And yeah, I really love na listening to you when you're playing the piano or when you're making music on the music lab or something. But yeah, I really enjoy it. I like your music. And yeah, you should know you're an amazing human being. Ayun. And what else? Maybe it's too long na. It's 8 minutes na eh. I'm looking forward na more conversations to come. Basta ganun. And, yeah, we should go on a date. Just us. So, we can have time together. And, yeah, when I'm not really, anong tawag dito? When I'm not cooking or doing something. Because, yeah, I wanted to, us to have some really good time together. Okay, and congratulations. You know what it is about. I love you.